Leftovers. It's enough to put a chill in the hearts of many home cooks. Will your family eat them? Some people are okay with it. Others want nothing to do with them. So what's the answer? Disguise them, repurpose them, make them something new. Here is my suggestion for leftover meat, a stroganoff. This is not the classic recipe, but if you have some mushrooms and an onion, you're halfway there. Saute the two in a dairy-free butter. Slice your meat into bite-sized pieces and heat them on the stove in dairy-free butter. It can be a roast, steak, chicken, or pork. Or perhaps you just have the mushrooms and onions and no meat. That works as well. Make a roux in a separate pan using equal parts gluten-free flour and dairy-free butter. I like 3 tablespoons of each. That seems to work well for me. Cook on low for about 5 minutes. You don't want to taste the flour. Then add 16 ounces of Cheri's HazelCream double strength. That gives you a cream. Mix half in the pan until it begins to thicken and then add the rest. Stir constantly and be sure there are no lumps. Salt and pepper to taste. When you have a nice gravy-like consistency, add in the meat and veggies. Let them cook together on low for another 5 minutes or so. That's all there is. Serve with noodles, rice, potatoes, or even on toast. And congratulations for using up your leftovers. Just don't tell your family.